Here's how UFC fighter Rampage Jackson led police in an infamous car chase. On July 15, 2008, Rampage hit two cars when he turned off the freeway and continued driving. A police officer tried pulling him over after he noticed a blown tire. The same police officer was unaware that he was also speeding and had struck cars before. He ran through several red lights and almost hit pedestrians before stopping for police. At the time of the arrest, there were 10 police cars, a few motorcycles, and even a helicopter on scene. Upon hearing of Jackson's arrest, UFC President Dana White flew from Las Vegas and posted a $25,000 bail to help aid the fighter's legal troubles. To this day, Rampage blames this incident due to a spiritual war going on in his head, and that it was a voice of God telling him to save his friend Brian.